All right, so with the Echostar booth, it's like a huge place.
Yep.
And so you have been partnering with Arcos for a while.
Yeah, we came out with the PocketDish about a year ago. It's our partnership with Arcos. Again, we want to be able to provide Dish Network content on a portable media environment, and Arcos was a great partner to do that with. They've got a great product.
So it has been released a year ago already?
Yep. Yeah, these versions have been out for a year.
Yeah.
We had 3 actually. We have the 7-inch, the 4-inch, and then a 2.5, and we've actually sold out of the 2.5 version.
Sold out?
Yeah, we ran out of our inventory, so...
But it's not coming back?
We're going to introduce a new line of PocketDish probably this summer.
This summer there's a new line?
Yes.
But no information about them?
No information yet. We'll release that when it becomes
Not
available.
at all?
Nope.
Of course not. Yeah.
Not at all.
All right, but can you just make a demonstration and show how easy it is to transfer some video on it?
Sure, we'll start with the 7-inch. This is obviously our biggest screen version.
Yeah.
I'm going to stop. We're actually watching tape programming now. I'm going to stop it and back all the way out so that you can see the main menu.
Like this?
Obviously, we've got video content that you can play, music, so you can actually store music here, photos, we've actually got some games, and then there's some other optional tools that you can use as well. But if we load the video, you're going to hit the play button on the right side, and you'll see a folder system here so that you can store stuff in different folders.
So all the Dish Network content goes in the Dish Network folder?
Actually, content, you can put them in whatever folders. You can actually rename those folders. It's very flexible and very customizable.
But by default, when you click to transfer from this DVR here,
VIP622 DVR.
And which other model is working?
Actually, it works with any receiver, and not even a Dish Network receiver. But the benefit of using a Dish Network receiver is you can download content much faster with the USB cable.
And the benefit is also much faster, and also the remote and the interface is integrated. Could you show the interface on TV?
Sure. We'll go ahead and stop the programming on this version, and we'll plug in the USB.
You plug it in.
Very well done. Very. Give it a little time to sync up.
So does this pop up automatically? When you do that?
Yep.
So it pops up and says you have connected a multimedia device. Would you like to view and manage the content at this time? Yes. All right. So then it shows.
You can look at my photos that are on the receiver, which is a separate option, and then the PocketDish. So we'll select PocketDish.
All right. So there, what do you choose?
And I think you can go back up to manage device. Let's see.
Yeah?
Actually, no.
Maybe send to device.
Actually, this should be your the list of the videos that you have stored on this one. So we can.
So then you can select, delete all that.
Which one you want to watch?
But let's go back to the send to. Oh, you can actually watch a video on the TV through that?
Yep.
Through the USB port.
Yep.
Could we try that?
Yep. We'll grab Sorry, just release it. Just select it and play it on the TV.
You can't select it and play it on here because you're in the PocketDish menu. So if you select this, you're going to...
But is this just to move files around?
It's just to delete them.
Delete.
Right. Mostly it's an easy way to delete.
Right.
Okay.
Right. So
to see...
So there you go in PocketDish, and then you go send to device.
I don't think so.
Send to device, right?
Let's see.
And there you just this is the content that is on the box.
You can actually send on to the PocketDish.
So you can just scroll down and choose something.
Yep. So you can select it and then click send video.
All right, and you go send video. It shows there it's 1.1 gigabyte and there's 14 gigabyte left. Send video, and then.
Do that. We're just gonna select.
All right, done. All right, so then it just transfers the video on this and plays. So that's kind of it?
That's kind of how that's kind of how the USB transfer works.
So this one has been released early and a lot of people have it?
Yes, lots of folks have it. So, and again, that's part of the decision to release a new line this year.
All right, so how about the next version DVR? Do you know what it's going to have?
No, we're still going to build onto the 622 DVR. There will be probably an internet adaptation onto these. These all are built with Ethernet ports, so there will be at some point a way where you can use broadband.
There's already Ethernet on this?
Yes, there is.
A year?
Yes.
No, the VIP622?
Yep, it was announced at the CES last year.
And it's been out with the Ethernet port for a year?
Yes.
And with a new firmware you could add some
that
video
will
on demand?
That will be coming in the future this year sometime.
video on demand, streaming, whatever.
Yeah, we've got a great video on demand platform right now, and we're looking to upgrade that with, again, the broadband connection so that you can go on the internet and download more movies.
Because the video on demand that's over there is with AT&T. But that can be different.
That's an AT&T Home Zone box. Yeah,
that's AT&T, yeah. But this one could be your own version.
Yes.
And your own internet or your partners.
No, we'll partner. And you'll probably have to use the broadband that you have to connect.
All right. So this one supports MPEG-4 in HD.
The receiver supports MPEG-4 HD. Yep.
And also SD MPEG-4.
Yes.
All right. Yep. So but for now there's no SD content in MPEG-4.
No.
Everything is MPEG-2. But if it comes over the internet, it could be MPEG-4. Just download. And...
Yep.
All right. And so will those PocketDish be able to take the MPEG-4 SD content, if there will be some?
I don't know about the feature of the PocketDish. Yep, we don't have any information on those yet. So.
All right. Okay, thanks.
Yeah.